Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to create account. Okay, so follow me. Go to your WHM, then account functions. Okay, create a new account. You have limit 90 account because our reseller have limit, so we need to enter the domain name. For example, I type REGXA1.xyz and the username will give it automatically. In the about password, I need to enter strong password. There you need to enter email, but that's not necessary. Choose package. You have created a package before. Everything is good. Nameserver create. Now the package created. Home. We can check the account from this section. Account information. This is the account, and if we press this, click on this image, it will directly access to the cPanel of the account. We see what we have. Everything is good as we want. Okay, and we go to account function. This section used for 10 minutes for delete the account. Any account you want to delete, you need to go this section. Just you need to select it, then remove. Also about modify, if you want to change something detail about the account, you need to go to this section. Also about this password modification, you can change password from this page. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.